How do I identify local ant species? If you're curious about the tiny creatures marching around your kitchen or yard, identifying the local ant species can be both fascinating and helpful. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to take a closer look at the ants. Use a magnifier or a magnifying glass to examine them carefully. One of the key things to check is the number of nodes at the petiole, which is the first part of their abdomen. Some ants have one node, while others have two. Size and color. Check the size and color of the ants. For example, odorous house ants are about 1/8 inch long and dark brown to black. They are known for emitting a strong, rotten coconut-like odor when crushed. Carpenter ants, on the other hand, are larger, typically 4 to 1/2 inch long, and can be black, red, or a combination of both. They have large mandibles and are often seen near wooden structures. Habitat and behavior. Look at where the ants are nesting and their behavior. Pavement ants, for instance, nest in cracks in pavement, under stones, or in soil near buildings. They have two nodes between the thorax and abdomen. Pharaoh ants are tiny, about 1/16 inch long and light yellow to reddish brown. They often nest in warm indoor locations and have multiple queens per colony. Specific features. Each ant species has unique features. For example, acrobat ants can raise their abdomen over their head when disturbed and have a heart-shaped abdomen when viewed from above. They often nest in trees or wooden structures. Big-headed ants have major workers with large heads and are around 4 millimeters long, while minor workers are smaller and reddish-brown. They have a two-part petiole and long body hairs. Food preferences. Ants also have different food preferences. Argentine ants, for example, like sweets and sometimes proteins. They are known for forming supercolonies and protecting honeydew-producing insects. Odorous house ants prefer sweets and sometimes proteins as well. They are called tramp ants because they can pick up and leave to find new nesting sites when disturbed. Control methods. Understanding the ant species also helps in controlling them. For odorous house ants, using sugary baits is effective. For carpenter ants, locating and eliminating nests, repairing water-damaged wood, and using ant bait or insecticide if necessary are good strategies. For outdoor ants, like field ants, reducing moisture around the property, sealing entry points, and using ant baits or granules can help control their populations. By paying attention to these details, size, color, habitat, behavior, and specific features, you can accurately identify the local ant species and take the right steps to manage them effectively.